Hi, today our lesson is area of a cylinder. Here the cylinder is given. It says the circumference of the upper lid is 132 centimeter. Circumference of the upper lid equal 132 centimeter. They ask find the area of the upper lid, lower lid and the curved surface. Okay. So here now you can understand the question. Question is what? Circumference of the upper lid is 132 centimeter. So upper lid is this is the cylinder. Upper lid equals circumference 132 centimeter. They ask find the area of the upper lid, lower lid, curved surface. Okay. So first of all we find the radius of the this upper lid. Say that it is R. So we have to find the value of R. So we know circumference equal 132 centimeter. So that means we know the circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r. If the radius is r, circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r equal 132. 2 pi means here I will take 22 over 7. 22 over 7 into r equal 132. So I can do the cross multiplication because here it is 1. So 2 into 22 into r over 7 equal 132 over 1. So if I do the cross multiplication, 1 into 2, this and this, 2 into 22 into r equal 7 into 132. So r equal what? 7 into 132 divided by 2 into 22. This is 3. So you can divide by this 2, 1, 2, 6, here 1 remain 12, 6. So R equals 7 into 6 is 6 over 22. So 22, 1, 22, 3, 3 into 7 is 21 centimeter. So here in this cylinder, radius of the upper lid equal 21 centimeter. So R equal 21 centimeter. So this equal 21 centimeter. So that means this length also equal 21 centimeter. Now we can find the area of the upper lid. So what is the area of the upper lid? This is a circular shape. Circular shape means like this. So it's a circle. So therefore area equal what? 5r square. So therefore we can find the area of the upper lid like this. Area of the upper lid equal 5r square. So that means 5 means 22 over 7. R equal to 21 into 21. So 7, 1, 21, 3. So that means 22 into 3 into 21. That means 66 into 21. Okay? So we have to multiply 66 and 21. So if you multiply, say that 66 and 21, 1 into 6 is 6. 1 into 6, 6, 2 into 6, 12, 1 remain, 2 into 6, 12 plus 1, 13. So 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, here 3, 1. So it is equal 1386 centimeter square. Okay, so area of the upper lid equal 1386 centimeter square. That means this area equal 1386 centimeter square. Then what is the area of the lower lid? That also the same because in the cylinder, uniform cylinder, area of the upper lid and area of the lower lid both are same. So this also 1386 centimeter square. So we can write area of the lower lid also 1386. So that I can write. I can erase this part. So I can erase this part. So area of the lower lid also lower lid also 1386 centimeter square. Okay, because the same. Now they ask find the area of the curved surface. Curved surface means this one. Okay, this area round. So we can write area of the CURVED, curved surface equal to 5RH. So 2, 5 means 22 over 7. R equal to 21. H equal to, H is not given. We will take H equal 14. So H equal 14 centimeter. So then what? 7 and 14 cancel. 2. Then 2 into 22 into 21 into 2. So 2 into 22 into 21 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 22 is what? 88. So we can write 4 into 22 into 21. 4 into 22 is what? 88. 88 into 21. So we have to multiply 88 and 21. So if you multiply 88 and 21, 1 into 8 is 8, 1 into 8 is 8, 2 into 8 is 16, 1 remain, 2 into 8 is 16 plus 1, 17. So 8, here 14, 1 remain, 8, 1. 1848 centimeters square. So this portion, curved surface area, we got 1848 centimeters square. Okay, so if you want to find the total surface area, what you have to do is you have to add the area of the upper lid and area of the lower lid and the curved surface area. So then we get the total surface area. So the curved surface area is here what? This area equal 1848. So total centimeter square. So total surface area means this 1386 and this 1848 and 1386 you have to add. Then we get the total surface area. So I think you can understand my answer. Okay? Here the special thing is, here it is not given the radius of the upper lid or the lower lid. It is given circumference of the upper lid. So when the circumference is given, so we have to find the radius of the upper lid. Okay? So therefore we have to make 2 phi r equal the given circumference 132. From that you have to find the radius of the upper lid. Okay? So I did this question. I think you can understand this. So next day we'll meet from another question. Thank you very much.